What's good, fam? Welcome back to the channel. It is Valentine's Day and Nike is definitely trying to spread some love this year. I'm sorry guys, I was trying to come up with an intro for this video without sounding too cheesy. That's the best I got. In this video, we will be talking about two sneakers as part of the Nike Love Letter Valentine's Day pack. I will be reviewing the Air Max 90 and the Air Force 1 Love Letter. What up guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I will be breaking down both of these sneakers. We will be getting into the colorway, all of the little details that make this pack so special. We'll get into the leather quality. I'll also talk about sizing. For those of you interested, we'll even cover some resale predictions. And as always, I will be giving you guys that on-feet look in both of these, so make sure you stick around until the end of the video. So the Nike Love Letter pack. So dropping shoes on Valentine's Day is nothing new by Nike. We've seen Valentine's Day drops every year basically that I can think of for the last 5 years. Last year there was an Air Max 90 Valentine's Day. The year before that we saw an Air Force 1. However, I really don't think there's much to argue that this pack right here is definitely the best Valentine's Day drop we've seen so far. This year, Nike went crazy with the Valentine's Day releases. Of course, we've had this Love Letter pack, but in addition to these two shoes, we also had another Air Force 1 Valentine's Day. And by the way, I did cop that pair also. If you guys want to see a review of that too, let me know down in the comments. And there was also another Air Force 1 that dropped, the Love for All, which had the word love written on the swoosh. But I think it goes without saying that compared to all of the Valentine's Day sneakers we've seen so far, this pack right here, the Love Letter pack, is probably the best we've seen so far. Both of these shoes feature the same colorway, white, tulip pink, and university red. This colorway might seem familiar to some of you guys. Last year, one of the most hyped sneakers to drop last year was the Strange Love Dunks. You can clearly see where the colorway was inspired from with both of these shoes. And I think Nike did a great job incorporating that colorway into both of these sneakers. On the Air Max 90, we got a white toe box, hints of tulip pink on either side of the shoe, and the outsole is done in this university red. What really sets this pack apart though is not the colorway, it is all of the little details in these shoes. Looking at the Air Max 90 first, we have these little hearts on the lace holes. On the Nike Air tab on the tongue, both of them actually open up to reveal a secret message underneath. But the details are taken to a whole another level with the Air Force 1s. We talked about the heart shapes. Well, on this shoe, on the toe box, instead of getting your holes, your standard holes, you get heart shapes as holes. You also get more heart shapes on the side of the shoe. And once again, the tabs on the tongue reveal secret messages underneath. On the right pair, we get True Love since 1982, which is of course the first year that the Air Force 1 released. And on the left pair, once again, you get Air Force 1 Forever. I'm pretty impressed with all these little details, especially the heart shapes on the toe box. I thought that was pretty unique. On the Air Force 1s, you also get this pink outsole. Both of these sneakers come standard with some white laces, but you also get some red laces on both of these shoes, university red laces. We don't get pink laces, unfortunately. I thought that would probably look pretty good on this shoe. On the insoles as well, we have a pink insole on the left pair and a red insole on the right pair. One more thing I wanted to mention about both these sneakers is surprisingly, the leather quality is pretty damn good on both of these. You're not getting your standard, plasticky feeling leather on this Air Force 1. The leather is actually really soft, especially on the toe box. And same with the leather on the Air Max 90. Yeah, so that's another plus about this shoe. Leather quality, pretty good. I'll talk about sizing as well. So for Air Max 90s, I fit true to size. Whatever you fit in most Nike sneakers, it will fit the same in Air Max 90s. For Air Force 1s, however, I do suggest going down half a size from your true Nike size. I wear a US 11 in pretty much every single shoe. However, with Air Force 1s, I wear a 10.5. Very quickly, wanted to add, make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. I looked at my analytics. Not a lot of you guys who watch my videos are actually subscribed to the channel, so it really helps your boy out. Make sure you're subscribed, that's all I ask for. We'll also get into resale predictions. Before I even talk about resale though, I just wanted to say in all of my reviews, I definitely get into all of the details of the shoe, and in the later part of the video, I talk about resale. The reason I do that is because I pretty much get two types of people who watch my videos, the ones who are really interested in shoes, and I also get a lot of resellers watching my videos. So I try to cover all of the topics in one video. If you guys don't care about resale, you can just go ahead and skip this part of the video. But getting into resale, so a colorway like this, I definitely had a feeling that these would do really well on resale, especially in the smaller sizes, the girl sizes. The Air Force Ones right now, especially, the resale is just through the roof in small sizes. We're talking like almost $500. But surprisingly, it's not just the girl sizes, even the men's sizes of the Air Force Ones are doing pretty decent in resale. And because I think this colorway is so similar to the Strangeloves, and also because, let's be honest, it's a very unique Air Force Ones. There's a lot of really great details on the shoe. I actually don't expect the resale to drop. In fact, I think these are going to continue going up heading into the summertime. So I think for the Air Force Ones, no matter what size you're holding, I suggest just hold it till the summertime if you are thinking of reselling. For the Air Max 90s, the women's sizes, I do think they will continue to go up. However, the men's sizes, I don't expect them to go up too fast. Those might probably be a sell now. For those of you who took an L and you really wanted to cop, well, unfortunately, I don't think that the prices on this are gonna crash after Valentine's Day. It's just a really nice colorway, and I'm really thinking that prices are gonna continue going up. So my advice to you is cop sooner than later if you really wanted these. So the love letter pack, is it a cop or a drop? Obviously, this is an example of Nike taking a very popular sneaker from last year, taking that colorway, putting it on other models. They've done this in the past several times. Some of you guys might hate on Nike for doing that. I personally think the execution on this pack was really good. The colorway looks great on both of these shoes, and I think Nike just killed it with all of the little details. We're getting some great leather quality on both of these, and you can clearly tell that both of these shoes are quite popular with most people just by looking at the resale prices. These are the best Valentine's Day sneakers to drop so far, in my opinion. So for sure, these are a cop. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you haven't already checked out my laces brand, I will drop a link in the description. A lot of you guys have asked me, do my low top laces fit other models besides Dungs? Yes, they do. They fit Air Max 90s, they fit Air Force Ones. My low top beige laces, I think, would look really good on both of these shoes, so make sure you check that out. I will leave a link in the description. Follow your boy on Instagram as well, the best place to contact me. The ONFEET portion of the video dropping right now. Thank you guys so much once again for messing with the channel and for supporting my content. And until next time, peace.